Hi, what's up guys? Today we will be unboxing the 14-inch MacBook Pro, so let's get started with the video. And here it is, the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Sorry that you see the reflection of the window, but I could not do it better. So, first we'll have to take the peel off. Oh, come on, I broke it. Ah, it's fine. So now that we've got the peel out of the way, we can actually take a look at what's inside it. So, I'm lifting it up, and here it is. Oh nice, they have another material here. So, we'll take this and put it apart. And here we have the MagSafe cable. I'm an idiot and I could have opened it this way, but I did not know that. So here we have our MagSafe cable. So on one side we have USB-C port, and on the other side we have the MagSafe port. So I'll proceed by taking this off, and we'll also put the cable aside. Here we have the instructions manual designed by Apple in California, where we find the well-known pieces of paper that no one ever reads. At least I hope no one reads. And we do get some black stickers, so that's nice. I'll put this aside, and here we have the new charger. It's a 67-watt charger, so take the peel off. Hopefully I know how to take this one without breaking it. Here it is. We will be able to peel off the actual MacBook. So, they changed the wrap. It's not made out of plastic, so that's nice for the environment. Oh, don't tell me I broke this one too. Here it is, the MacBook. I'll do the first open up with you. And it turns automatically on. Hey, reflection again. Right now, what I will be doing, it's actually setting up this MacBook, and then we will see ourselves with a final clip about it, so that I can explain you better my first impressions. I've been using the MacBook for the last 2 days, and it has been awesome. It was able to do everything that I wanted it to do. So basically, video editing, so HDR, 4K, 60 FPS, actual Xcode. I mean, I'm not a developer, I'm still in the process of learning Swift, but still it was able to do everything that I wanted to do. And last but not least, it was actually able to run a few games that I tested on it. But if you want to see my full impressions and my full review, make sure to subscribe yourself so you won't miss that. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!